Welcome to our roundup of the best portable steam cleaners. If you want a quick, chemical-free way to sanitize floors, furniture, kitchens, and tight spaces, these compact steam cleaners deliver powerful, high-temperature cleaning wherever you need it. We've selected models known for strong steam output, fast heat-up times, and versatile attachments that make tackling stains and germs effortless. From cars and upholstery to tile and grout, these machines bring deep cleaning power into a lightweight, easy-to-carry design. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in. The first on the list is the Balashov 30-100W. Designed for users who want a more aggressive cleaning experience, this steamer delivers high-pressure output that cuts through grease and stubborn buildup in seconds. Its powerful heating system produces dense steam and sustains it throughout your cleaning session, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort, while the long power cord allows you to move freely between rooms. The nozzle kit includes precision tips and scrubbing brushes, making it easier to break apart thick grime on stovetops, bathroom grout, and workshop tools. Safety features like overheat protection and a locking cap ensure secure operation. High-power heating, continuous steam pressure, and ergonomic handling are the highlights. Overall, the Balashov 30-100W is great for anyone who wants industrial-level steam cleaning in a portable and manageable handheld unit. Next up is the Homefish 2600W. This powerful handheld steamer heats quickly and produces consistent steam, making it ideal for everyday cleaning across kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and fabric surfaces. The strong 2600-watt heating element ensures you get thick, reliable steam within seconds, which works exceptionally well for removing grease, soap scum, and built-up dirt. Its design feels solid and stable, yet remains comfortable enough for extended cleaning sessions. Multiple attachments come included, allowing you to switch between angled nozzles, brushes, and wide steam heads depending on the job. The long power cord provides more freedom of movement, letting you clean larger areas without constantly unplugging and reconnecting. A child-safe lock and overheating protection system add extra safety. Fast heat-up time, stable steam output, and versatile attachment set are its main highlights. Overall, the Homefish is a dependable and user-friendly tool designed for households that want strong performance without complexity. Next is the Omser C988. This model is a dedicated spot cleaning specialist built to target stains and deep embedded dirt on fabric, carpet, and upholstery. The C988 delivers short, powerful bursts of steam that penetrate fibers and loosen grime effectively, making it ideal for pet stains, spills, and high-traffic areas. Its transparent water reservoir helps you monitor levels easily, while the rapid heat system ensures you're ready to clean within a short time. The lightweight body and slim handle improve control, especially when working on vertical surfaces like curtains or car seats. A set of precision nozzles helps you reach tight corners and narrow spaces effortlessly. Despite its small size, it maintains steady steam temperature for consistent results. Strong spot cleaning performance, stable steam temperature, and lightweight maneuverability define its appeal. Overall, the Omser C988 is an excellent choice for users who need a compact, targeted cleaner for tough, isolated messes. Next up is the Balashov HC3800. The HC3800 is built for users who want maximum steaming power in a compact format. With rapid heating and dense steam pressure, it quickly breaks down grime on stoves, tiles, grout, glass, and upholstery. Its enhanced heating chamber allows it to maintain consistent temperature without dips in pressure, giving you steady performance throughout every cleaning task. The extended water tank provides longer steaming sessions, and the heat-resistant hose lets you work comfortably even during lengthy cleaning jobs. It also includes a wide selection of precision nozzles for targeting corners, crevices, and stubborn buildup. The safety lock function prevents accidental activation, while the ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue. High-temperature output, large water capacity, and durable hose design help the HC3800 stand out. Overall, this model is perfect for deep cleaning tasks where strong steam pressure and long-lasting performance are essential. The last one on our list is the Romeller Portable Steam Cleaner. The Romeller focuses on convenience, portability, and strong all-around performance. It heats quickly, giving you fast access to high-pressure steam for cleaning countertops, appliances, windows, and fabric surfaces. Its compact body makes it easy to carry between rooms or store in tight spaces. Yet the water tank is large enough for multiple cleaning cycles before refilling. The variety of attachments lets you tackle everything from tight seams to wide surfaces alike. This model is especially popular for sanitizing kids' toys, car interiors, and other areas where chemical-free cleaning is preferred. A built-in safety lock prevents accidental steam release, and the lightweight construction minimizes strain during extended use. Overall, The Romeller is perfect for anyone wanting a well-balanced, easy-to-use steam cleaner for daily cleaning and deeper sanitizing. So, that wraps up our best portable steam cleaners. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech and home guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.